Smoothies are one of the most comfortable ways to get all the vitamins and nutrients your body requires to feel satisfied and stabilize your blood glucose levels. But not all of these smoothies are made equal. In fact, it's really easy to go from a gut-healing, fat-burning, healthy smoothie to a bloaty sugar bomb in only a few swaps. When it comes to having healthy smoothies, it isn't that difficult once you know the basic technique and proper ingredients to utilize. Individuals still make common smoothie mistakes when making nutritious smoothies, particularly if they are trying to lose fat. Stick around until the end with this video of parshealthhtv and avoid these 10 mistakes and become a smoothie master. Number 10. Not having various smoothie ingredients. You can sometimes get into a rut of only utilizing something such as baby spinach because it's effortless to buy and throw into your smoothies, but that's a perfect way to get bored of your smoothie's taste. You want to ensure you're utilizing different ingredients in your smoothies. Some weeks you can add chia seeds for your fiber and healthy fats, other weeks, you can add flax seeds. As I said, you always rotate your greens, and it's the same with your fruit. You will alternate between berries, bananas, and mango. You don't always add the same ingredients. You definitely have your go-to ingredients, but you should try switching flavors out as much as possible. Number 9. Not adding any liquid. Many people who are new to making smoothies do not use enough liquid when making their smoothies. This makes their ingredients chunky and can even burn out your blender. Most nutritionists suggest adding water, but any liquid is also acceptable. Just stay away from utilizing store-bought fruit juices that are full of artificial sweeteners and preservatives. When blending, the best measure for the proper amount of fluid is to have a vortex in the middle of the smoothie. Number 8. Not enough fiber. Fiber keeps you full and controls hunger pangs from taking hold. Without any fiber in your smoothies, you risk consuming unhealthy and snacking throughout the day. Yes, fruit does have fiber, but not all are excellent. For example, half of a banana only has 1.4 grams of fiber. Instead of a banana, you can use berries, kiwi, pomegranate, pear, or avocado. As for veggies, try changing up spinach with some kale. Kale has twice as much fiber as spinach. It is declared that women require 25 grams and men require 38 grams of fiber daily, but most adults only get 15 grams per day. You can add fiber-rich fruits and foods to your smoothies, such as oats, flaxseed, yogurt, or chia seeds. Did you know chia seeds contain an incredible 5.5 grams of fiber per tablespoon? Number 7. Adding protein powders with sugar. You should not add protein powders that are loaded with sugar. Look for protein powders that are low in sugar and low on the GI index. There are plenty out there that are sweetened with a little bit of stevia, coconut sugar, or monk fruit. These still deliver a little sweetness to your smoothie without spiking the blood sugar levels. As with everything you consume, look at the components in your protein powders. They can be full of processed ingredients. Make sure you do your research, trust the ingredients' quality, and know the brand and where they're sourcing them from. Number 6. Not adding in fresh leafy greens. I know there are all these fantastic green super powders available these days, and they are excellent for traveling or if you have run out of greens, but guess what? Fresh, raw, healthy leafy greens are fantastic to put into your nutritious smoothies. You should always have kale, spinach, romaine, or even just a spring mix on hand in the fridge. Changing your greens is a great way to not get bored. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell. Now, let's dive right into the next mistake. Number 5. Using a fruit juice base. 11 ounces of orange juice will contain about 25 grams of sugar. Read that again. 25 grams of sugar. Too much. That's even more than a Reese's peanut butter cup. And that does not even contain any other ingredients you may be adding. Springing off with this high sugar level will pitch your blood glucose levels on a roller coaster ride of spikes and falls, leaving you fatigued, hungry, and bloated. Number 4. Not using the right blender. It might be surprising, but this one is super important. If you don't have a proper blender, you will end up with a pulpy smoothie, and you will still be able to touch all the textures of the ingredients. No one wants bits of kale stuck in their teeth. A higher-end blender, I suggest. Number 3. Adding liquid sweeteners. If you are utilizing ripe fruit, there is no necessity to add sweeteners. To sweeten your smoothie, you don't require honey, maple syrup, sweetened yogurt, almond milk, or fruit juice. Sometimes if you're craving a really sweet smoothie for a dessert, you can add a little freshly squeezed orange juice, not boxed orange juice, but for the most part, fruit is sweet enough. Number 2. Using unripened fruit. If you want your smoothie to be tasty, sweet, and easy to digest, you should ensure you're utilizing ripened fruit. At all times, you should have a bunch of bananas ripening on the counter, and you can use them in rotation. You should wait for them to get ripe and then peel them, chop them up and throw them into one of these reusable silicone packages in the freezer. That way, you always have a stash of ripe bananas ready to go. You can also use frozen fruit that will have been frozen at the perfect time, so you don't even have to worry about it when you need them. Number 1. Adding in too much milk. You might use too much if you only use milk for your smoothie liquid. I like to do a half and half ratio, so half almond or oat milk and half filtered water. You could even add filtered water, especially if you're adding in fruits like pears, bananas, mangoes, or protein powders, since they will deliver that milky, creamy texture without needing to add any milk. What's your favorite smoothie? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoy the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Looking for more amazing videos? Check out the videos popping up on the right and the left of your screen.